my friends.
Hello.
I actually have a different driver today. A little different start to our video. This is our daughter Hannah, who has been in other videos. And Joel's actually in the car behind me. We had to take 2 different cars this weekend because we are going up to Silver Springs State Park. It's a couple hours north of Tampa near Ocala in Florida. And we have a family weekend. We have a bunch of family that's going to be there with staying in the cabins. We're not camping or anything, but we are going to do some paddle boarding, and the weather should be really beautiful. So I'm
excited.
You're excited?
Yes.
Yes. Hannah loves coming on these adventures with us. So I'm gonna let her be my chauffeur for the day, and we'll see you guys when we get up there. All right, we are finally here after almost a 3-hour drive, and it is now dark. But give you a quick little tour before we mess it all up. Nice screened-in patio.
Hey guys!
There's Joel!
Welcome!
He is here! You didn't believe me all, did you?
I followed him for 2.5 hours.
All right, so we have this nice cabin right here. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, little kitchen. There's a big room here. You have to make your own bed. There's a bathroom and one other, I don't know if there's a light. There we go. One other room in here with 2 twins. All right, I got up to see if anybody was up, and I walk outside and they're already hanging by the fire.
We gathered.
It's nice and warm because it's cold out.
It is. It's 49 degrees according to the weather app, and
It doesn't happen in Florida very often.
no, so we're enjoying the fire, but we're gonna go get some pancakes.
And then what?
And then paddleboard
In 49
degrees. Let's go. Good morning, Hannah.
Good morning.
Are you making pancakes with Grandma?
Yes.
All right. Can't wait.
I'm gonna go back and go home for fishing.
All right, we even get variety. We got blueberry and chocolate chip. Okay, so something you need to know is that the paddleboard area is separate from the camping area. You actually have to get in the car and drive around. So we are checking in for our paddling adventure. Getting on the water soon. Look, I got somebody to carry my board down for me. My brother-in-law. I don't have to carry it this time. Okay, our big crew going out here soon. All right, we got everybody on their boards. We've got 2 paddle boards, a canoe, 2 canoes, a kayak, and our boards. We got a crew going out.
I would call it a gang.
A gang. We got a gang.
You're cold. So Hannah has my shirt on, which is long sleeve. Hannah has my windbreaker on.
I didn't come prepared.
Where's that back of us? That's kind of cool. It's an old fort or something. That's kind of neat.
cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
I like it.
Cool river.
All right, there's right here, there's a manatee and another manatee. I unfortunately am going right over him. I did not plan on that.
So you came up over there?
Oh, there he is.
Hi.
Oh, cool.
There are 2 more down here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right here. There's one under me right now coming.
Oh, look at the baby. There's 3 of them right there.
It's amazing how they can play.
Hi, sweetie.
Nudge each other.
Oh, I love the babies.
Probably still feeding them.
Hey, honey.
Oh, look at it.
You went underneath you?
He's so long. Have you touched him?
No, you're not supposed to touch him.
Okay.
Good look at it.
Hi, baby.
Right.
There's another manatee coming up. Look at him. Hi, baby. There's so many manatees out here. It's unbelievable. So if you come out here, you can also go on this glass bottom boat. And we're actually going to go out as a big group on this later. So. Okay, our 2-hour paddle is coming to an end. Did you guys like it?
Try not to.
Lots of manatees? Yeah, don't hit me.
That's why I said I'm trying.
Go on up to the left. All right, did you have a good time, Andy?
I had an awesome time.
It was great, wasn't it? All those manatees? What do you guys think?
Awesome.
Cool place, huh?
Cool place.
Cool.
Love it.
Manatee.
Uh-huh. Turtles, fish. Okay, so we're done, and that was such an awesome paddle. Can you see?
We saw so many manatees. The
So-
water was so clear.
So we're gonna get our boards loaded up and head back to the cabins.
And then what?
Relax.
Starts with L.
What?
Lunch.
Lunch. We're making grilled cheese. I haven't had grilled
forgot
cheese in
about
forever.
All right, we are microwaving some bacon. We just got back from the Springs, and it's time for lunch. Amy's making us like the best grilled cheese ever.
I'm so excited. We got this nice thick bread, lots of butter. Look at this cheese we got. American cheddar, medium cheddar,
Medium cheddar.
Gouda,
Yeah.
Havarti with the bacon.
Oh, it's gonna be fantastic.
Yes.
All right, Amy has done her magic.
Come here, come here, come
Watch
here.
this.
Watch this. We're gonna see if we can get that pull of that.
Oh, seriously? Bacon and Gouda?
Look at that,
Oh,
guys.
look at that. Good stuff.
Okay. Now that lunch is done, everybody's laying in their hammocks. Hannah's taking a little snooze. Joel's got his get out gear blanket.
Leave me alone.
Okay, now we are gonna do the glass bottom boat tour. And we're gonna be on the second boat here, but this is what we're gonna go on. It's an hour and a half tour down the river. Not sure what to expect, but it's a glass bottom boat, so it should be cool. Okay, we are on the glass bottom boat, and look, we can see, I don't know.
If you want to take a picture through that glass,
It looks kind of dark right now.
do yourself a favor, turn off your flash.
Pretty cool though.
Here's everybody.
If you don't turn off your flash, you're going to come home with a beautiful self-portrait.
Hi, Andy.
Well, hi.
Now, why do we get this beautiful blue look in the water? It's because all the water coming out of these springs is 99.8% pure fresh water. The good news is, but I don't want to get you hyped up because, you know, we could not see them at all today. My first 2 trips, we saw some monkeys. We'll see if we get lucky and see them this time.
All right, we saw a manatee while we were out here on the boat.
Oh, there he is. They're going under the boat. Oh! They're coming under.
Where they at, guys?
Under the boat.
What's your phone? Your phone.
There's the baby there.
Yep.
Yeah, the baby's right
Baby's
there.
right behind it, right next to it.
Uh-huh.
I want to back out of here before they get too close to my pocket here.
It's the baby and the mom.
That's pretty cool. Right under the boat. That's neat.
Get your picture taken. You'll have 5 years good luck.
5 years, good luck to stand in the middle of
Over that fence.
that loop. What is it, horseshoe palm? Horseshoe
I
palm.
don't know why they put it up there. Once we get to the other side of that rock, the bottom's going to fall right out of this thing. It drops down to 55 feet real quick. And this is Mammoth Spring.
Mammoth Spring.
They found mammoth bones.
Pretty? Ton of water coming out
Largest
of here.
spring in
Now
the
when you
world.
look at it,
Largest
it's a little hard to believe that there's that much water.
Limestone spring
Right.
in the
It
world.
looks,
Yeah.
but just a few seconds, you're going to see our 3 resident movie stars. This is Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades.
What? All right, Joel. Throw that into the biggest tip jar.
What about when we get here?
biggest one?
Here we go.
Tip jar.
Anybody have any other questions
Make it
before I
rain,
let
Joel.
you
Make
go?
it rain. Make it rain.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that very much. Thank you.
All right, tonight we are having pizza that was just delivered. Oh, look at that. Yum, yum. All right, we are going over to one of the other cabins because it is my stepdad's 70th birthday. So we're gonna come over here and do a surprise party for him.
1, 2, 1.
All right, so that was a really nice surprise birthday and birthday party. Really good cake, and now we're going to get the fire going.
Let's go, fire, let's go!
Come on!
Good. I didn't cry.
Yeah, stop. Then where's the story going?
There's no crying and camping. Oh, Jesus.
All right, good morning. This morning is very rainy, and we're just gonna kind of hang out in the cabins. But first, let's have breakfast. It's at Mom's cabin, and she made some egg casseroles. Let's go take a look. Hi guys.
Morning.
Everybody's eating breakfast.
Oh, it's good too.
Look at these egg casseroles. Look at these. Yum. Let's go eat.
All right, well, breakfast is done, but it is, as Amy said, a rainy and drizzly day. So I am not sure what the day's gonna hold. So stay tuned, let's find out if we stay indoors or whether we go out and risk it. I think we'll probably stay indoors, by the way.
All right, the hammocks are coming in really handy on this cold and rainy day. Joel is all bundled up in his blankets, the
Snug
get
as
out
a-
gear and another blanket.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
Uh-huh. And Hannah's over here with her blankets. But what about me? She stole mine. I don't get one.
We'll take turns.
Okay. Okay, so it may be kind of raining out here, but we needed to get out of the cabin.
Yes, we literally had cabin fever.
So we are going on a walk. All right, we're heading down to the river on which trail? Did we say?
River Trail.
No.
No. River Trail. No.
Yeah, okay, we're going. Bye. All right, Swamp Trail it is. Look at how cool this is, very swampy. We're hoping we see some monkeys out here.
Yeah, come
We
here,
never
monkey.
did see any monkeys.
They're out
We'll
here.
have to come back and hopefully see those. So yesterday we learned there's about started with like 2 or 3 monkeys and now there's like 500 out here. I even offered to pay anybody on the boat $100 to find me a monkey and nobody found it.
We are 0 monkeys.
No monkeys.
The offer's still good, yes, if you find me a monkey. All right, look at this. Look at that steam coming off. That's where we turned around yesterday on the boat. But look at that steam. It is chilly out here. And Joel just found the no swimming sign. That's good because he was wanting to get in the water.
I was close.
All right, so tonight is our turn to cook dinner, and we have to cook for 14 people.
It's a lot of people.
13 people, I think we're at now. So we are making our famous stir fry. Everything's prepped and ready to go, and we're doing it in the fire disc, of course.
Of course.
What else do you use to cook big amounts of food?
Chicken stir fry for 15.
Kirk's gonna watch from there. Look at this, guys. This is just the chicken. Crazy, huh? That is like 6 pounds of chicken. We have never cooked this much food in the fire disc. This is 20 servings of chicken fried rice. Look at that.
I make no promises as to the quality. The quantity I'm good on. The quality I'm
Yum.
not sure.
It will be wonderful. All right, guys. This weekend has come to an end.
Our annual November trip for the family.
Done. It was such a great time. I wish the weather would have cooperated a little more better yesterday.
Today is gorgeous.
It is gorgeous.
Yesterday, not so
we
much.
should stay a couple more days.
Let's do it. I'm just gonna call the boss and say I'm not coming in.
So it was really nice. The cabins were great. I'd love to come back here and do more exploring. There's a lot we didn't get to see because of the weather yesterday.
Yep, but yeah, beautiful river, great for paddling, so we'll be back for sure.
Hiking.
Yeah, hiking.
It
Really nice.
Unfortunately, it was raining, so we did a little hike, but that's about it. So if you enjoyed this adventure, please subscribe to the channel.
Bloop, bloop.
Like and comment. We love to hear from you all.
Yes.
And we'll catch you guys on our next adventure.
See you guys. Thanks for coming along.
Have a glorious day.
She said.
Bye.